Hello and welcome. This is Felix speaking from EASYBITS, and today I'll be sharing a workflow with you that allows you to turn offline meeting notes into structured Google documents within a few seconds. So if you're a person like myself that still likes to take traditional meeting notes on a piece of paper, this is definitely something you should be looking into. Now, how does this workflow actually work? So it all starts with a Gmail trigger that is connected to a dedicated inbox in our company. Now, whenever I leave a meeting, I can just take a photo of my meeting notes that are still offline. I paste this photo as an attachment to an email to this dedicated email address, and now the extractor will go ahead and extract all the data from my meeting notes. From there, the data gets structured into a document body, so we also give it kind of a structure with action items, attendees, and all this stuff. From there, it creates an empty document, fills out the document, and what I'm getting back as a reply to the email that I sent initially is the document link to the Google Doc in our Drive. To get you a better understanding of how this all looks in practice, let's head over to my Gmail inbox, where you can see that I already sent one email. I called it notes, and the content was just for your info. It doesn't really depend on how you call it. Notes will just be the email that I will then receive back as well with the link to my document. What is really important are these meeting notes down here. So let's look at them. They are in handwritten form and they are complete. So I sent this to the dedicated inbox in our company. That means I should now be able to actually execute the workflow, which I can, as you see. Now it's extracting all my meeting notes, then it's giving it a structure. It builds the document for me, and then we should be able to see the reply in my inbox as well. So let's just give it a second to extract all the data. That's done. Now the document was created and we are sending the confirmation, which should now also come to my inbox, and we can see we got an email back to the email that I sent initially, and I have the link to my document. I can now open it, and you can see I have a great overview of all my meeting notes in a digital way, so I can now throw out this piece of paper. I have all the attendees, I have a summary of the meeting, I have action items, and I also have one reference where everything gets extracted in one take. So this is a great opportunity for you to digitalize your offline meeting notes. If you're interested, you will be able to find the link to this workflow JSON in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out, and then we see each other in the next video. I wish you a great rest of your day. Keep on automating. Bye.